Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Teja Majel, and we have UNice here today. Again. This is all the stuff that they put in the box. They gave me a powder brush this time, and I was like, whoa, okay with the powder brush. And I like the wig caps that they send. All the details will be down in the description, as well as the products that I use. This is a hairline straight out of the package. Also, the color straight out of the package. And I say straight out of the package because I'm going to show you guys what it looked like after I washed it. This is going to be a quick install because I was not messing with that wig glue. I'm sorry. Sometimes that wig glue gets very annoying. So, I'm using the Ebin lace adhesive spray. And I'm going to install the wig. I just put my lace adhesive straight onto my forehead. Get my blow dryer, dry it, then put my lace down. And it stays, guys. It just stays. It's really fast and easy. I'm not going to talk too much on this part. So, I'll see you guys in the end so I can give you guys the tea.
I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't want to leave. You know, I wouldn't want to bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you running.
I wanted some curls to this wig, so I was like, let me pull out my T3 curling iron and curl it, because I love bombshell curls. But y'all, when I got done curling it, I let it set too. That's what's getting me. I let the curls set. After I combed it out, it looked so pretty. But not even 10 minutes, the curls dropped and it just looked insane. It looked insane. And I get it. Like, I get curls fall. But when the hair doesn't hold a curl, that irritates me. But yeah, I think this hair would look really good straight. I should have straightened it, but I really don't like straight hair on me. So I was just mad. Like, I wanted curls. But yeah, besties, I'm going to show you guys what it looked like when I combed it out with my fingers. It was so pretty. Like, just watch. Comb it. Like, look at that. I was so mad. It started getting straight after like 2 seconds. After that though, like, I wasn't really feeling it. So I was like, let me wash it and start all over. But when I washed it, the wig turned gray. It was actually cute. I was like, whoa, I was not expecting this to turn gray. So if you get this wig and you wash it, the dye is going to go into the blonde parts and it's going to turn gray or like a dark ash blonde. I was over here trying to recurl it and fix the front part, but I was like, girl, stop. It's not going to come out how you want. But yeah, I ended up washing it, doing a little messy hair wet look, and it was actually cute. I cut a little bit of bangs. It was not like a thick set of bangs, but it was cute. When I washed this wig, it turned gray. It's supposed to be a blonde color, but I mean, I guess it's not that bad. But yeah. I sprayed the hair with water and then I added a little bit of Aussie Mousse so it could stay in that wet look. It's not a curly wig, of course, so it came out kind of like a messy hair, and that's what I was aiming for. You know what I mean? Like, just straight out the shower, wet hair type of look. That's what I was trying to do. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't have nothing else to talk about. This is my struggle with this wig, me trying to figure it out. This is what I do all the time. I be struggling behind the camera. But yeah, I always make it work. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I write the president, count presidents. Push Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a pee. She let me squeeze, then she leave, cause she keep a pee.